Hi everyone, Enrique here, and welcome to Copilot for Microsoft Excel. If you're a casual Excel user looking to level up your skills with generative AI, or a data professional who wants to stay on top of Microsoft's latest features, you're in the right place. This is a hands-on, practical course designed to help you leverage Copilot in Excel to solve real-world problems across a variety of common scenarios and workflows. We'll start with the basics: what Copilot is, how it integrates with Excel, and how it's evolved since it first launched. I'll then show you the two main ways that you can use Copilot in Excel and talk about the main limitations that you need to be aware of. From there, we'll cover best practices for using Copilot effectively. You'll learn how to choose the right model for each task, how to manage and undo changes to protect your work, and how to leverage foundational Excel skills to validate Copilot's outputs. Last but not least, we'll put all of this into practice across 5 common use cases: cleaning data, auditing workbooks, creating spreadsheets, analyzing data, and building dashboards. Each use case is built around a real dataset and a real business scenario, and will use strategic thinking and prompt engineering best practices to get the exact results we're looking for, all while Copilot takes care of the technical grunt work. So if you're ready to work smarter and faster than ever with Excel, this is the course for you. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in.